they are already know how grateful they are, how lucky they are for being here. So it's amazing, and also the teachers who are helping us. No, everything was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
First, amazing experience, top notch. They were very engaging, they are very smart kids, and as you said, they're very, very respectful. I'm so happy that I made it here. Really amazing experience.
Okay, so I am Lina from the UK. Really fell in love with all of them, and they create a lot of, we did this activity about superheroes and superpowers, and I thought yeah, maybe they will put I don't know, fly or something like that, but they were super deep in which powers they would like to have in order to solve the problems of the world. So it's really nice because this is the world that they will have. This is the world of them. So I'm really happy that we're here. So thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. My name is Lisa. I am originally coming from Russia, but right now I'm representing Sweden. And yes, I would like to just express my gratitude to you and your school, because I teach different subjects. I used to teach English for 4 years. Now I'm an environmental studies teacher, and these kids are incredible. Exactly as you said, in which school, in which country they are not smart, but they always need support, they always need empowerment, They should know that there are no right or wrong answers. You have to be free to speak up and collaborate and come with ideas. And this is what these kids really need support with. And I really love how, how responsive they was, how they felt engagement from them. And after the lesson was over, I was heading down, and some of them ran up to me and they were like, "Miss, which part of Russia are you coming from? We want to visit you in Russia, we want to go there." And I was like, oh my God, that made me so happy. Because for example, for me, I made a long way here. I've never been to India before, this is my first time. And as I said to my students in the class, the first time is always leaving the impression that stays with you for many years. And that made me fall in love with this country, with these kids. And from the bottom of my heart, I wish them the bright future that they will create themselves. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Very nice to hear.